Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add captions in any video using Descript. So just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so we have our project open right here and I'm going to import any footage. So let's use this clip, and we have our footage right here. Click on add to add this to the timeline. And here we go. So we have our footage ready. So let's increase the height of this timeline. So in order to add the captions, what you're gonna do, you have to click over here and paste your text. And we have our text ready now. And in order to add this text to the video, what you will do, just press Ctrl plus K. And once you press that, you can see this menu will be popped up, and here you have to type insert captions, and you can see the captions layer is added in our timeline, and now we can easily add captions to the video. You can see the captions are ready. And another thing that I want to mention is once I click over on these captions, in the right we have some options to customize our captions. Either you can change the font of the text, or you can change the background color. In fact, you can also change the color of the text. Anyways, this is basically how you can add subtitles over on any video in Descript. So all for today's video guys, thank you so much for watching.